Welcome. In today's video, we are walking through a simple but powerful feature inside the Telegram app on PC. With the latest update, Telegram now gives you more control over who can view your profile photos. If you've ever wanted to keep certain contacts from seeing your pictures, stay tuned, because I'll show you step by step exactly how to do it. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open a side menu with several options. From this menu, go ahead and select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a section called Privacy and Security. Click on that to access all of Telegram's privacy tools. Now find the option labeled Profile Photos. Select it, and you'll immediately notice that Telegram offers different levels of visibility. Choose My Contacts so that only the people you've added can normally view your profile picture. The key step comes next. Under My Contacts, you'll see an option called Never Share With. Right beside it, click on Add Users. This allows you to pick specific people from your contact list who will not be able to see your photo, even though they are on your contacts. Scroll through your list, select the users you want to restrict, and when you're done, hit Save. Telegram will confirm your selection, and from that point onward, those users will no longer have access to your profile image. By following these quick steps, you gain tighter control over your privacy without having to block or remove anyone. It's the perfect way to keep your profile photos private from the people you choose while still staying connected. And that's it. You've just learned how to never share your profile photos with specific contacts on Telegram for PC. With this update, keeping your account private is easier than ever. Thanks for watching.